Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. This is what I cooked yesterday as part of meal prep for one person, or two, as the case may be, but this is just for me. Uh, this is actually 2 servings of rotini pasta that I cooked, and I used the measurement for 1 serving on the package, which was 2/3 of dry noodles. So this is 2 servings of rotini pasta that is pre-cooked. I did the same thing with rice. So this is the rice that I can use through the week, and this is some pasta. This morning I'm going to use this pasta, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a pasta salad with this Asian chopped salad kit. Now, you can see that this has green cabbage, red cabbage, green leaf, lettuce, carrots, and green onion. It also comes with sliced almonds, Asian sesame dressing, and wonton strips. I'm going to make a pasta salad with an Asian flair using some ingredients from this kit. Not all of the ingredients, but definitely some. So stick with me and let's see how we're going to do this. Okay, I put about half of the rotini in the bowl. Now, I cooked this according to package directions yesterday, and I rinsed it in cold water. Okay, I removed the inside packet from the vegetables. You can see the dressing, the wontons, and the almonds are tucked in there as well. Okay, I put half of this package of greens in with the pasta. So these are going to get a use later on in the week. I've got the wonton wrap. The crisp wontons and the almonds are in this package. So when I have a serving of the pasta salad, I can just sprinkle these on the top. That will be good and give a nice crunch to the salad as well. Just so you know, I cut up a couple of pineapple rings to put in with it, and I also put in a couple of tablespoons of pineapple juice. I poured the packet of dressing in there, and the pineapple juice is just to sort of extend the dressing, because the pasta will soak some of that up. I've got a partial piece of chicken breast, and I've decided that I'm going to cut that up. I'm going to put that in the Asian pasta salad. This has paprika, garlic, and salt, pepper on it. I had to think for a minute. So I'm going to get this cut up and put it in with the pasta salad. I did put the salad in a dish for the refrigerator, and it's going to have a nice secure lid on it, and I'm going to let this sit and marinate for a few hours because that will only make it better. Okay, in goes the chicken, and you can see how this is going to extend the pasta salad. So all in all, it's pretty inexpensive. I'm pretty happy with this. Now, because it has meat in it, I want to make sure that I eat it within the next couple of days, which I'm sure that I will. This is going to be a beautiful meal in and of itself. Get a good look there and see what you think. I think that is awesome. I think it looks beautiful. Okay, that's it for me today. As always, you know that little is much when God is in it. Okay, listen, I hope this helps you. Cooking for one is oftentimes not easy, and also sometimes because we're a single person, we tend to short ourselves on nutrition, and I do not want to slip into that habit. So here it is. I hope this helps you. Give it a like if you like, and subscribe, and be sure and hit the notification bell, and then that way you'll always be notified when Simple Food, Simple Life comes up with something new. And share it if you like, because who knows, it might help somebody else, and it would certainly help me. All right, I love you. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Just a little postscript. I wish I could tell you how deliciously lovely this Asian pasta salad was. I've had it for a meal. I have enough left for another meal. It is absolutely delicious. If you are one person or just two people and you want to make something inexpensive and really, really good, try the Asian pasta salad from the Slaw kit. I think you will love it.